Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today in this video tutorial we will discuss MDCAT test 2025 chemistry MCQs part first. Dear students, if you need MCQs for MDCAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. Dear students, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Dear students, this is public notice about Pakistan Medical and Dental Council. Dear students, keep in mind about MDCAT Medical and Dental College Admission Test on Sunday, 5th October 2025. Best wishes and best luck. Ribose is an example of option A, trioses, B, tetroses, C, pentose, and option D, hexose. So the correct option is C, pentose. Explanation is ribose is a 5-carbon sugar which is essential in RNA, ribonucleic acid, and ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon, never miss an update from Ali Technologist. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. All living organisms, the lubricant which provides protection against damage resulting from friction is option A, carbohydrates, B, fatty acid, C, water, and option D, protein. So the correct option is C, water. The water acts as an excellent lubricant in biological systems. For example, in joints, water-rich synovial fluid reduces friction between bones, preventing wear and tear. The trioses, which are intermediate in respiration and photosynthesis, are option A, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, option B, dihydroxyacetone phosphate, C, both A and B, and option D, none of these. So the correct option is C, both A and B. Explanation is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate are 3-carbon sugar trioses that are key intermediates in glycolysis, respiration, and the Calvin cycle photosynthesis. Which of the following characteristic below applies to the amino acid glycine? Option A, optically inactive, B, hydrophilic, basic, and charge, option C, hydrophobic, and option D, hydrophilic, acidic, and charge. So the correct option is A, optically inactive. Explanation is glycine is achiral and optically inactive. In many proteins, hydrogen bonding produces a regular coil arrangement which is called option A, beta helix, B, alpha helix, C, both A and B, and option D, spiral. So the correct option is B, alpha helix. The alpha helix is a common secondary structure. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. An amino acid that does not form an alpha helix is option A, asparagine, B, tyrosine, option C, tryptophan, and option D, proline. So the correct option is D, proline. Proline's rigid structure disrupt alpha helix formation. Dear students, the amino acid that synthesize many hormones, option A, valine, B, phenylalanine, C, alanine, and option D, histidine. So the correct option is B, phenylalanine, precursor for tyrosine, dopamine, norepinephrine and epinephrine. Dear students, you are attending the past paper MDCAT MCQs. At the end of this tutorial, write your score in comment box. Dear students, dash % of glucose is normally present in our blood. Option A, 0.80%, B, 0.08%, C, 1.80%, and option D, 8%. So the correct option is B, 0.08%. Explanation is normal blood glucose level are 80 mg per deciliter, which equal to 0.08% weight by volume. Increased serum alanine during fasting is due to option A, breakdown of muscle proteins, B, decreased utilization of non-essential amino acids, and option D, impaired renal function. So the correct option is A, breakdown of muscle proteins. Explanation is muscle proteolysis releases alanine for gluconeogenesis. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. The amino acid containing a hydroxy group, option A, glycine, B, isoleucine, C, arginine, and option D, threonine. So the correct option is threonine. Option D is correct answer. Explanation is threonine has a hydroxyl group in its side chain. In a galvanic cell, oxidation occurs. Option A, anode, B, cathode, C, salt bridge, and option D, electrolyte. So the correct option is A, anode. Oxidation always occurs at the anode side. Dear students, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। A compound produced because a chemical reaction of an alcohol with an acid in which a water molecule is released is called option A, monosaccharide, B, fatty acid, C, neutral lipid, and option D, nucleic acid. So the correct option is C, neutral lipid. The formation of neutral lipid triglyceride is a classic example of this reaction. A fatty acid react with a glycerol molecule through a process of dehydration synthesis, forming an ester linkage and releasing a water molecule. Which of the following gives a positive test for ninhydrin? Option A, reducing sugar, B, triglyceride, C, alpha amino acids, and option D, esters of fats. So the correct option is C, alpha amino acids. Explanation is ninhydrin reacts with free amino acid, alpha amino groups. Thank you for watching my videos.